Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions.
Today, we have an epic showdown between two dash cameras that will make your driving experience safer and more secure.
On the left, we have the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2, and on the right, we have the Pilot Dash Camera.
Get ready for some serious comparison action. Let's kick things off with the price.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 comes in at $129, while the Pilot Dash Camera is a bit more budget-friendly at $109. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Pilot might be the way to go. Now let's talk about design and features.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is like a ninja.
It's so discreet that it hides behind your rearview mirror, recording incidents without drawing any attention.
Plus, it has a wide 140-degree lens for crisp 1080p video even at night. And the voice control feature? It's like having a personal assistant in your car. On the other hand, the Pilot Dash Camera is a triple threat. It offers front, rear, and interior cameras, giving you maximum road coverage.
With its super night vision and infrared cabin light, it captures clear and detailed footage day or night.
And if you're worried about parking, just grab the hardware kit, sold separately, to activate the 24-hour parking continuous recording mode. Let's dive into storage and loop recording. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 requires at least an 8GB micro SD card, up to 512 GB supported to store your recordings. When the storage limit is reached, it automatically overwrites the oldest recordings.
And with its durable design, it can withstand extreme temperatures from scorching hot to freezing cold.
Meanwhile, the Pilot Dash Camera comes with a free U332GB micro SD memory card. When the storage capacity is full, it also overwrites the oldest recordings. But here's the kicker. It has a G sensor that detects sudden vibrations or collisions and locks the footage to prevent overwriting. Talk about smart.
Let's not forget about the extra goodies.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 offers a parking guard feature that alerts you if any incidents occur while your car is parked. You can even access the camera remotely for live view monitoring when you're away from your vehicle.
And if you want to level up your surveillance game, you can connect up to 4 dash cams using the Garmin Drive app.
On the other hand, the Pilot Dash Camera comes with a complete pre-sales and after-sales team, providing you with 24/7 technical support.
So if you have any questions or concerns, they've got your back.
The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 receives positive reviews for its compact size, non-obtrusive design, ease of use, and quality recordings. However, some reviewers mention issues with the bright red light at night, causing glare and difficulty setting up wireless Apple CarPlay.
On the other hand, the Pilot Dash Camera is highly praised for its clear footage, user-friendly operation, and reliability.
Reviewers appreciate the included 32GB SD card and the crash-resistant design. Both dash cameras have their strengths, so it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best. And there you have it, folks. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 and the Pilot Dash Camera battled it out, but in the end, it's up to you to decide which one suits your needs best.
Remember, both of these dash cameras will keep you safe on the road, so you can't go wrong with either choice.
Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and be sure to subscribe for more product comparisons that will make your shopping experience a breeze.
Stay smart, stay safe, and happy driving.